Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an unexpected error occurred problem on Instagram in iPhone. So guys, if you're trying to use your Instagram but you're facing this issue on your Instagram in your iPhone, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all you have to simply go back to your home screen and now drag down your control center and make sure that your internet connection is working properly and you are connected to a strong internet connection. So guys, do this, and after this go back and then open settings in your device and then scroll it below and tap on general and then scroll it below and go to date and time. Here it is, set your date and time, then go to language and region. Select your country or region correctly from here, then go back and now tap on VPN and device management and connect your device with a VPN and check. And after this you have to go to transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there then you have to go to general section again, then go to iPhone storage and then scroll it below and go to Instagram. Offload your Instagram app for one time and then restart your device for one time as well. So guys, do this, then open your App Store or Play Store and search for Instagram. Now you have to simply download the latest version of Instagram app in your device, and after this open your Instagram app and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply contact the Instagram support team for further information and help. So guys, hopefully they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.